Okay, you may not be able to see this, but around here is used to be some scratches caused by the eyelet of a top that I put on in the winter. But when the wind flaps the top against the door, it causes the scratches here. Now I use this wax here that I got at Costco. They were doing like a demo. This is everything wax. I didn't want to use any compound because I don't want to damage further the paint on the door. This is actually, I guess, the clear coat, and I didn't want to use any aggressive ways of polish or rubbing compound or anything like that. I didn't want to make it worse. So what I did was I just used a buffing wheel. This is comes in like a kit, Ryobi. Got it at Home Depot, about $10. So what I did was I just dabbed a little bit of the wax, put a little bit on. Yeah, I put too much already. So I find the scratch, and this is the area. So I did this a couple of times already. Now it's almost, if you're not looking for the scratch, you won't be able to see it. So I use my drill. This is like a portable drill, and the buffing wheel, and just very lightly. So I would turn it on, rub it, and wipe it away, and look for the scratches to see if I can find them. Usually after you buff it, you won't be able to see the scratches anymore, but when it dries, you can see the scratches coming back. So you can do it again until such time you don't see it anymore. So I did it a couple of times already. That's the instructions. You're not supposed to be able to see the scratches anymore. So this works. I wouldn't say it's 100%, but it's like 90% gone, because if I move my camera around, you cannot see where those scratches are. Actually, it is right here. I don't think you can see it. So if you don't want to use rubbing compound or polish, you can try using wax and a buffing wheel to remove the scratches. So a little more than 6 months now, and I just want to make a quick video on the gas mileage that I've been getting. And in the winter, I've been getting like 32 to 40 miles a gallon, and now it's in June and the mileage went up. Now I get, a lot of times I can get close to 40. I just finished making a trip, and this is the average mileage that I'm getting. This is the 40 mark. So I've been getting pretty much close to 40. And on the low side, sometimes you get on short trips maybe 32 when the car's not warmed up. And the mileage I'm getting at 40 miles a gallon, I have the AC on. The car, or the SUV, runs pretty well. I haven't had really too much trouble with it. I did have to bring it in, and this is a little disconcerting because the AC or the blower didn't work, and when I brought it in, they have to find a master technician to diagnose it. And basically what he did was he unplugged the blower motor and reconnected, and it worked again. So on the safe side, he replaced the blower motor for me. So if it happened next time, then it's probably not the blower motor, maybe the controlling equipment, probably like a circuit board that controls, or the sophisticated automatic climate function, because you can set the thing to auto and then it just adjusts all the temperature and the blower speed. And with something that's complicated, well, this being a hybrid car, they have to bring out the master technician to diagnose the problem. And of course, mercifully, they replace it under warranty. I only had it for 6 months. Yeah, so the car drives well. Even though it's a hybrid, you can drive it like a regular car. In fact, if I were to put it in sports mode, the car drives like a really fast car. For me anyway, I used to drive a minivan, so anything that can run like 0 to 60 in a little over 7 seconds, which this car can do, is pretty fast.